In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit price and term details in the line items editor in HubSpot. If you're working with deals and need to update pricing, adjust quantities, or change contract terms, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Keeping your line items accurate is essential for clean reporting, accurate revenue forecasting, and smooth handoffs between sales and finance. So make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open the deal record that you want to edit. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. From your main dashboard, go to the top navigation menu and click on CRM. In the dropdown, select Deals. This will take you to your deals pipeline, where you can see all of your existing deals organized by stage. Find the specific deal that you want to update. You can either scroll through the pipeline or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Once you've found the correct deal, click on the deal name to open the full deal record. This is where all the details related to that specific opportunity are stored, including associated contacts, companies, activities, and of course, line items. Now that you're inside the deal record, take a look at the left-hand panel. This section contains the deal information. You'll see an area labeled About this deal. This section displays key properties such as deal amount, close date, pipeline stage, owner, and other custom properties your team may have added. One of the helpful things about HubSpot is that most of these fields are directly editable. To make changes, simply hover over the value you want to update and click on the pencil icon that appears. You can then adjust the information according to your needs and save the changes instantly. This is useful if you need to quickly modify high-level deal details before diving deeper into the line items themselves. Next, let's focus on editing the price, quantity, and term inside the line items editor. Scroll within the deal record until you find the line items section. Here, you'll see the products or services that have been added to the deal. Each line item represents a product from your product library or a custom-created item. To edit an existing line item, click on the name of the product or look for an edit option within the line items area. This will open the line items editor where you can modify specific details. Inside the editor, you can adjust the unit price if you need to override the default price product. This is helpful when offering discounts or custom pricing. You can also update the quantity field to reflect the number of units the customer is purchasing. As you change the quantity or price, HubSpot will automatically recalculate the total amount for that line item. If your deal involves recurring revenue, you'll also see options to adjust the billing frequency and term length. For example, you can set the term to 12 months, 24 months, or any custom duration depending on your agreement. Make sure the billing start date and frequency are accurate, especially if you're using HubSpot for revenue reporting. Once you've made all necessary adjustments, click Save to apply the changes. The deal amount will automatically update based on your edited line items. And that's it. You've successfully edited price and term details in the line items editor in HubSpot. Keeping this information accurate ensures better forecasting and cleaner reporting across your sales process. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical HubSpot training videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.